I don't think I have the hang of flying yet.
Hello. Looking sharp. Good morning, fish. It's a wonderful day. Who are you hiding from? The cat! What cat? The cat! What cat? The cat! I don't see any cat.
You're playing tricks on me?
The cat! There's nothing to worry about. Nothing to worry about? Nothing to worry about. Nothing to worry about? Don't you know that cats are responsible for 47% of all squirrel deaths each year? You want to fly around with me?
No.
And if I don't store up enough food, I'll starve! Whoa, nice bike. Can I take it for a spin? Can I ring the bell? Can I sit on the seat? Can you be migrating south? Nah, I'm having too much fun hanging out here! Hey, where are you going? Are you sure you don't want to go flying? Alright, aren't you a handsome bird? How embarrassing. Go now! Do you want me to slow down? There, that should last the winter. Hey, Squirrel, look who I found. It's that fucking cat you were talking about. That right there is exactly why everyone should wear helmets. Did I say look? Believe it or not, I have always wondered what it would feel like to be eaten alive. This is my problem. I told him cats were dangerous. Ooh, ow, 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 ow. Okay, it hurts. I know I'm gonna regret this. Oh no. My food.